Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up the team roles. This is for beginner only that new to this game, EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, and this new season no more FIFA. All platform like in PlayStation 5, Xbox, and many platforms did not use FIFA anymore. So right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24 for the Gadget 1. So this this is for beginner. This video is how you can set up team roles like a captain and who's take the corner and free kick. So let's get started by tapping the club, and as you can see this is your team, and you can set up formation, you can see all the player you have, and you can editing your team. Tap my team and tap the team editing. So as you can see, you can set up your formation in here. You can unlock the lineups, and I want to show you this, the roles. You can set up your roles. Here there's an info. You can read only player from starting 11 can be selected. And number 3, if player assigned to set piece, if sub off, you make substitution and he will be automatically reassigned. So let's tap this captain. You can sort it by LPA, and I choose this Ishida and have trait leadership. The captain must be good in leadership and have leadership traits. Confirm, and I set up the captain. And also short free kick, you have to short by FRK. So the top player is the best, and have trait long shot taker. Confirm. This is also confirm. And the corner sort in CRO and have early crosser and many more. Thank you for watching. Feel free to edit your team, edit your roles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.